guys. I'd like to talk about the Royal Enfield and handlebar vibrations. As you know, the handlebars vibrate and that can transfer into your hands, and some people say even with gloves their hands still vibrate and they get a little tingly after long periods of riding. And of course, we know every Royal Enfield is different, and some vibrate a little more than others. Well, I have found a product that promises to take care of that and to eliminate some of the uncomfort that you feel in your hands while you're riding your Royal Enfield. It is the original Grip Buddies. Now, this has smart skin technology, and the patented design with the way they go on, it keeps the grips from migrating, it keeps it from turning, it keeps it from coming loose. The material, let me go ahead and open this up and show you the material. The smart skin technology is very interesting stuff. They are Velcro, just like so. The back is sticky. Okay, you peel that off, it comes right off of the stitchings there. You put it on, the back is soft. It is almost like a felt material, but not quite. The grips themselves are very comfortable. They stretch, they grip very well, so even if you get caught in rain, this should hold. I mean, that has a hold to it. And it velcros to itself. So you get essentially a seamless attachment. Like so. When it goes on. Okay? And what makes this a lot better than a lot of the products on the market is you don't have to fight with it. You don't have to kind of push it over the end of the handlebar grip, the throttle. You don't have to risk tearing it, because I've torn a few in my day. And nothing's more frustrating than getting the grip almost on and the end of it tear. That really kind of makes me angry when that happens. You don't have to worry about any of that with these. And again, this is like a space age material. It is so comfortable, so light. All right, let's go ahead and take it out there and see just how they install. The Grip Buddies come with everything you need to install them. They come with 2 Grip Buddies, of course, one for each side. All right, we've got those. They come with the instructions, how to do that. Detailed instructions. I'll go over those with you guys. It is front and back as well. Okay. And they come with 2 alcohol wipes. You're going to want to wipe down, get all the grease and oils and fingerprints and road grime or whatever may be on there, and waxes or any kind of shining products that you've put on there. Keep them looking nice. You're going to want to go ahead and strip all that stuff off of there so that you have a clean surface to work with. Alright, let's go ahead and wipe them down. Once you have your grip wiped down, you're going to want to start with the left. That way it'll make it easier, so you don't have to, you'll see how it goes on and you won't have to fight with the throttle on the other side. So let's go ahead and start with our clutch side. And as you can see, there is some stuff that came off of there. A little bit of oil for my hands, I'm sure. Whatever protective I've put on there, F11. Okay. Alright, after this, we're going to want to go ahead and start our installation process. Alright, step after you've gone ahead and wiped everything down, you're going to want to go ahead and grab your throttle as you normally would, so you may want to sit on your bike to do that. And where your fingers come across, that is going to be where the seam of the Grip Buddy is going to go. So what you're going to do is you're going to peel off the sticky backing, and you're going to want to put the seam, not the edge of the Velcro, but the actual seam itself is going to go right where your fingers stop. That's for the best comfort. Alright, let's go ahead and peel off our sticky back here, and we'll go ahead and install it Alright, right at that seam. Now that we've got it in place here and it's straight, it's right on the seam where our fingers were. Okay, we're on to step 3. Now we stretch the grip, buddy. Here, we pull it and we try to match the sides first and then the centers. Okay, that side. That side. Alright, looks pretty good. Should wear in with use. And so far, that feels absolutely fantastic. And it doesn't get any simpler for installation than that. And it is an excellent grip, and it's not going to move because you have the sticky backing and you've got the Velcro and it's stretched. That's the most important thing, is that it's stretched to fit. It's stretched to suit. Okay, look at that. Excellent. Let's move on to the other side. Just to give you a comparison, this is the grip that I have on here, is a foam grip. It's your average everyday grip there. Look at the give. Nothing. Hardly anything at all. And if I push, I can get it to move and get it to slide. It's just not a very good grip at all. Alright, now that we've got our old grip off of there and we've got most of our gobbledygook off of there, the grease and oils that have developed over time, even under the grip. Okay, now we see where our fingers go again. Put them in our natural position. Okay, there we are. And there we go. Now we are ready to install the sticky portion of the grip buddy. Alright, our sticky portion is installed here, and I am going to be wrapping this way once again, so going against the grip here on this side. As we know, that's the throttle. I try to go that way. It's going to be opening and closing the throttle. That's going to kind of get in the way of things. So we're going to wrap over the top, okay, and match our seam together. As you can see, the installation is complete. That feels a lot better. After you install your grip buddies, make sure that you've maintained the ability to use your throttle is working properly, it's not hanging up or anything. You didn't go too far one way, too far the other way, possibly, and you're all done. And if you make a mistake and you don't put it right where you want it and you want to move it, it's okay. These can be adhered and taken off multiple times, so you can use them on multiple bikes if you choose to. Okay, so no worries, no stress, easy to use, and they feel good. And look at that compared to the other grip that was on there. So much more give to it. And again, it sticks. It's not moving, and I can easily roll the throttle on, easily, effortlessly. It sticks to your fingers, your skin, your gloves. So no matter what the weather, no matter what the temperature, you've got this excellent, excellent grip that is going to be right there to work with you. Okay, let's go ahead and take Fieldy for a ride and see how these feel, not only on the hands and not only in the feel and texture, but with vibrations.
got a break in the rain there and was able to go for a ride. It's raining off and on today. Okay, let's take a closer look at the Grip Buddies and see what I mean about how much cushion there is. Better from that angle. I mean, it just goes in there. So it does absorb vibrations. It absolutely does. It's easy to put on. It's an excellent product. It's an excellent addition. Okay? Excellent. Easy. And they make them for every motorcycle you could think of. You've got a Harley, you've got a BMW, a Suzuki, Kawasaki, and of course, Royal Enfield. Every model of Royal Enfield. These are absolutely incredible. They're a game changer. No more buzzing in your hands, no more vibrations. Absolutely perfect. I'd like to give a very special thanks to Grip Buddies for sending us the set to show you guys and for improving the comfort of Fieldy. The handlebars are a whole different ball game now. The vibrations aren't felt as much in your hands. It's comfortable, non-slip. As I said, I hit a little bit of rain, didn't affect anything, and I wasn't wearing gloves. Game changer. Very comfortable, very easy to install, and just altogether an excellent product. That technology that's in there is a patented design. It is unlike anything I've felt in a grip before. These are absolutely fantastic. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to Grip Buddies. Like I said, they make a Grip Buddy for every motorcycle you can think of. So if you've got any bike or you've got a Royal Enfield, especially, I would suggest the Grip Buddies. 100%. Alright guys, I'd like to thank you for watching. And if you like this video and you like the Grip Buddies, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, one more thing really quick. This Saturday, August 24th, is going to be the first annual Royal Ramble, as most of you already know. And I would love for each of you to be able to make it out there and see Fieldy and I and everybody get together and just talk Royal Enfield and have a group ride. It should be absolutely fantastic. It would mean a lot to me. It would mean a lot to Fieldy to spread the love of Royal Enfield to Galax, Virginia. Come on down, guys. I'll see you there.